Let's intro. Let's intro this bad boy. Okay, anyways. So today we're back and we just finished finals of fall semester and we finally have time to be opening up some Pokemon cards.
And Pokemon has been super hype right now. Like, can't find anything in stores. People are fighting each other over Pokemon cards.
And so we have the Surging Sparks.
And 151.
Don't know why it's so hard to get our hands on this thing, but we found it.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Okay, first, let's open up some Surging Sparks.
Save this one for later. Here we go.
Trim.
The hype over Pokemon cards right now is going crazy. I don't even know why Surging Sparks is like out of stock.
Yeah, I think that's crazy.
Like, I don't know.
Came out.
Yeah, personally, I don't think Surging Sparks is that nice with the Pikachu. I mean, I could be wrong though. But
all right, 6 packs.
6 packs. Want to do 3 and 3? Remember last time?
Yeah. You want to take the first thing? I'll take the last thing.
You go first.
Oh,
Ladies first.
so I'm taking the. Okay.
Ladies first. Surging Sparks, I think it's alright, but with sets like 151, Surging Sparks, oh, and Terrestrial Festival that just came out in Japan. Have you seen the God packs in Terrestrial?
Yeah, I got one.
Great.
I got one this morning actually. I watched the video.
Oh, I thought you like.
I don't
you
even
pulled
have.
a God pack.
I don't even have one. Okay, code card. One to the front.
Yeah, one to the front. I think just energy. Let's see what you get in these. Oh, so nice.
Nice. Bro, it looks like nothing. Come on. Aqua.
Whoa, Bruxish. That's a hit. Wait, I need to grab the sleeves.
Pause.
Pause.
Bro. It's cool I got a full art, but like, really?
Wait, Bruxish is not bad. I
don't know who Bruxus is.
I feel like Surging Sparks, it really isn't that crazy.
I don't even know who Bruxus is.
Let me get into mine. With Surging Sparks, Terrestrial Festival, and then Prismatic Evolution releasing, bro, Pokemon is about to go crazy. And Pocket came out, and the new expansion pack just came out of Pocket. Like,
the app literally didn't load.
yeah, the server, we were up at 1 a.m. Embarrassingly to
Why?
say, but
I don't know. You literally had a final.
yeah, I had a final the next day, and I was still up playing Pokemon.
Metallic Memo.
Magneton, Walrein, Eternatus, and Skeledurge. We got back into Pokemon, or honestly, okay, I did with 151 because the Kanto starters and the Kanto like region Pokemon are just too nice. That's why we're gonna be opening it up today. I've been wanting to.
Oh shit.
Ninetales.
That don't look like anything.
Nothing. Got this fire. Are you hyped for any sets coming out?
I'm done.
Okay.
Good night. Done.
Tell them what we got.
I got one TV.
Yeah.
You got a couple of the
Booster bundles.
We want to go find the Terrestrial Festival.
The Japanese.
The Japanese one. We want to go look for that in the card shop, so we haven't had time. So.
This Mesprit is
Oh,
nice.
it's so pretty.
Flamigo. EX.
Next pack.
Oh, I don't know if I should keep my Prismatic Evolutions sealed up or if I want to rip them. I don't know if the hit rate is going to be like crazy good or crazy meh, you know. But a lot of people have been saying that it might be like a Crown Zenith with like a lot of hits. Because Crown Zenith, when we opened it in the Sea and Sky box, nothing.
Oh, nothing. Dang. Why do you guys like Surging Sparks?
Everyone's just chasing the Pikachu.
I've never seen anyone pull one except for that guy who opened 500 packs. But when I see it on like my reels, I never seen one get pulled.
Yeah.
Maybe like the second tier one.
Hey, this is the peak.
Hey, that guy carries me on
TCG Pocket.
TCG Pocket.
Oh, there might be something in this one.
Really?
Or freaking Terracotta.
Alright.
2 hits, Flamigo and Bruxish in 1 booster bundle. Honestly, 1 hit though, not terrible. Like
You literally got 151 and got nothing.
Yeah, like I bought a booster bundle and it was literally nada. We're getting into the poster collection. I've been waiting to open this guy for a while. Like 151 is honestly one of my rail sets, even though it's been like.
Bro, there's only 3 packs. I'm gonna cry.
Okay,
I know we're gonna get nothing.
Let's first look at the poster.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen this yet. Where should we hang it?
I don't know, but it's kind of really big.
Oh, why is it bigger than I thought it would be? You need to frame it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry.
Should we buy a frame?
I guess. Oh my lord. Wait, this is super nice though. But you got all 151 Pokemon with the outlines, and then on the back you have.
Ooh, they're so cute.
All of the cards.
Wow.
Shout out Pokemon. Okay, back into 151. Got these 3 super nice promos. I know 151 has been printing hella promos with every single kind of box they have. You want to sleep for me?
Sure.
Got this Bulbasaur Squirtle with the bubble texture. And then last but not least, here's the code card. The Mander with also the bubble texture. I wonder what these would grade for. I don't even know if they have any value like that, but you go first then. You go first because you have more packs. Please, Zard, pull the Zard.
We barely opened any 151 packs.
It's because it's so expensive.
They're so expensive and we're broke.
Yeah, broke college students. Code card. I see it.
How many do I take out?
Yeah, 1. Pikachu. Far-fetched.
They don't look good. Ooh.
Oh!
Ah! Ah!
Good pulls! Electro.
Ah!
Hey!
I really want the Ivysaur, the Bulbasaur, and the Venusaur. Like, I really want all 3 of them.
And we got that Ivy.
Got that Ivy. Oh!
Oh, what a pull. That was a nice pull. Alright, I don't know if we can get anything else in here.
I think that's all our luck.
That's all I like in a 1 pack. Yeah, sleep that.
I'm scared we get nothing.
I know, same. Code card. Come to the front. Alright, and another Pikachu.
Another far-fetched.
Shelter. Helix Fossil. Magneton. Queen. Magikarp. Venusaur EX.
Not bad.
Man, we kind of hitting today.
Okay, this one definitely cannot have anything.
I've seen people hit like a Blastoise and then like an EX and then like another illustration.
Okay, but I feel like 2 is already like too generous.
Hey, we'll see.
No. I really don't think 3rd one. Like even in my Brilliant Stars, 3 packs, I only got 1 each time.
She got the Sylveon.
Yeah, Sylveon with the trainer.
The Trainer Gallery from Brilliant Stars. That card is nice.
Just code card. Not important.
What's important is what's in the back of it.
It doesn't even feel like shiny energy.
Oh, shiny energy.
Easy.
No fossil.
I don't think there's anything. It doesn't feel like there's anything. It doesn't.
You peeking? Moltres? Poliwrath?
No.
Oh, hey, Mewtwo. Okay. Well, the hits we got. Okay, this is pretty solid for $16.
For 3 packs.
For 3 packs?
Got an Ivysaur. How much is this? I don't even know.
I think I'm gonna guess like a $40 card.
40? Can you check?
Yeah, I can check.
No way. Okay. Anyways, that's all we have today.
We'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys didn't catch our last video, it's probably gonna be here, or somewhere here.
Or on the next slide.
Or on the next one.
Yeah, the next one.
But we'll catch you guys later. See ya.
Bye.
Welcome back, guys. We just finished finals, finally.
Okay, no.
Yeah, no.
Can I please just start?
Okay, you can start it.